Now I will explain how to define customized sorting for our own class objects like employee object, student object, customer objects like. Sir, here I don't want to use comparator implementation class. I want to use lambda expressions only. How you can able to do? Suppose if you consider employee. For every employee, employee number will be there or employee name will be there. Regarding employee number or employee name, I want all employee objects. Can you please insert according to ascending order of employee number or according to descending order of employee number or according to ascending order of salaries, descending order of salaries or according to alphabetical order of names, something like we can able to define customized sorting for our own class objects also. How you can able to do that, sir? Very, very important concept. Take special care about this one. Observe that. I want to take my own employee class employee. I am taking my own employee class. This employee class contain, sir, two properties: int employee number and string employee name. Observe that carefully, sir. Int employee number, string employee name. Okay. Now I am taking, sir, constructor employee of int enum comma string ename employee name, sir. String ename like this or just a name you can take. Now this dot number enum is equal to enum. This dot ename is equal to ename like this I am taking, sir. This is the employee. Sir, constructor, whenever you are creating an object to perform initialization, this constructor is going to execute. Whenever we are printing employee object, meaningful representation purpose, meaningful string representation purpose, let me override toString method. Are you getting? Which method I am overriding? Let me override toString method, right? toString, when it is going to come, I will show. Return. If any person trying to print employee object, sir, how it is going to print? Return enum plus enum colon ename like this. Meaningful string representation I am overriding, sir, toString method. If you are going to print employee object, then toString method is going to come in the picture. Best example, employee E1 is equal to new employee. Employee E1 is equal to new employee. 100 comma Durga I am taking. Assume that, sir, 100 comma Durga. Employee number, employee name. Let me print this E1. Let me print this E1. Internally, toString method will execute. toString method is going to return 100 employee number colon name Durga. Are you getting? Name colon 100 employee number colon name. This is the output by default we are going to get, sir. I hope everyone in a position to understand what the need of this toString method. Just let me show and then we can think about customized sorting, sir. Have a look once. Sir, class employee, int enum, string ename I am taking, employee, this dot enum like this. Sir, like even I override toString method also, right? Now let me create one employee object. Here employee, sorry. Here employee, sir, E1 is equal to new employee I am taking, sir. Is 100 is the employee number, Durga is the employee name. Now print, sir, here system.out.println of E1 I am taking. SOP of E1 I am taking, sir. Now observe that whenever we are trying to print E1, internally employee class toString method is going to call, which is going to print enum colon ename. Observe that. Observe carefully, sir. What the output by default we are going to get? Observe 100 colon Durga. That is the purpose of overriding toString method. Suppose I didn't override toString method. I didn't override to string method. No meaningful string representation, sir. If you want to observe, what is the output by default you are going to get? Employee at the rate. If you don't want this type of output, then happily we can go for two string method overriding. That's all. First level, what the need of two string method? Clear. Okay. Now, sir, let me go for, I'm taking array list of employee. L is equal to new array list of employee. Array list of employee L is equal to array list. Sir, I am creating array list object to hold employee objects. Okay. Now L dot add of new employee 200 Deepika. 200 is the employee number. Deepika is the employee name. Similarly, new employee 400 comma Sunny. Next 300 Malika. 100 Katirna. Like how many employee objects I am adding, sir? 4 employee objects I am adding, sir. Sir, 200 Deepika, Sunny, Malika, Katirna. Like, sir, what is the output we are going to get? Very simple, sir. Very simple insertion order. Because it is the array list, right? Insertion order by default will be preserved. What is the output, sir? Sir, 200 colon Deepika. First employee object. Because of two string method, it is going to come. Second one, sir, 400 colon Sunny. Okay, like 400 colon Sunny. Next objects are 300 colon Malika. Like this we are getting. Next 100 colon Katirna. Like by default we are going to get this output, sir. Now my target is, I want customized sorting order. Can you please insert all these employees according to ascending order of employee number, according to ascending order of employee number, ascending order of employee number I want. How you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. Here collections dot sort of L. I'm always expecting comparator object as the second argument, right? But wherever comparator is required, happily we can replace with the lambda expression, right? Now, sir, which objects? Employee objects are arguments. Okay? E1 comma E2. Sir, if two employees are coming, I have to compare based on employee numbers. That's why E1 dot enum. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, you may get confusion. Here, see. Sir, first employee comma second employee. Let me write separately lambda expression so that you can feel more comfortable. Sir, first employee number is lesser than second employee number. Have you observed, right? First employee number is lesser than second employee number. Then smaller employee should come before. That's why question mark -1. Can you please, if this condition satisfied, return -1. Else, sir, first employee number greater than second employee number. Oh, sir, this condition not satisfied. First employee number is greater than second employee number. Greater employee should come after. That's why, sir, question mark 1 positive number. Sir, this condition not satisfied. This condition also not satisfied. Then automatically 0. Are you getting? 0. Both are equal. If you pass this lambda expression as argument to this sort method, automatically all employees will be sorted according to ascending order of employee numbers. Sir, wherever comparator is required, happily we are allowed to use what? This lambda expression. Clear for all of you, right? So lambda expressions concept applicable for, okay, this for our own objects for customized sorting, sir. Okay, let me show. Have a look once. 1 minute, sir. I saved already this code for your sake. Observe carefully. Sir. This is important, so on like this. Sir, now the same objects, right? Collections dot sort. Have you observed? I don't want to take like this. Yeah, I want to repeat again. Can you please observe? E1 comma E2. E1 comma E2. Sir, if E1 dot enum less than E1 dot E2 dot enum. Sir, have you observed? First employee number is smaller than second employee number. Then first employee should come before -1 colon. Again, sir, first employee number, if it is greater than E2 dot enum, then sir, first employee number greater means after means +1. Okay, or sir, this condition is not satisfied, automatically 0, sir. Sir, use this lambda expression as argument to collections dot sort of L comma like this. Are you getting? Sort of L comma like this. Now observe that. So before sorting, what is the L? After calling sort method, what is the L? Observe that. Observe the output, sir. Here, yes, the code compiles fine. Now before sorting, are you getting insertion order? 200, 400, 300, 100 like this. But after sorting, 100, 200, 300, 400, ascending order of employee numbers. Based on ascending order of employee numbers, by default sorting happen. Okay, clear, right? Sir, these are various things what you people should be aware about the lambda expressions for collections concept. Sir, whenever we published this course, majority of the people are telling, sir, lambda expressions for collections how to use. Can you please explain with multiple examples like? But make sure to understand this section, compulsory you people should have strong idea in collections. First, go through the collections concept, and after that, just review all these videos so that you people can get much clarity. Clear for all of you, right? Sir, now lambda expressions concept applicable for multi-threading or not? Yes, runnable interface implementation we replace it with lambda expression. Next, similarly, comparator internal implementation replacer with the lambda expression. Very concise code. One small expression replaces a big class, sir. That is the biggest advantage of lambda expressions concept. Sir, very simple. Whether it is the multi-threading, whether it is the collection, wherever functional interface is there, happily we can replace that requirement with the lambda expressions. Clear up to this? That's all. Thank you, sir.